Hey everybody, this is Mr. Matthews for a science video. Take a look at this. What is this? What was it when it started? And how did it change? Did it have a physical change or did it have a chemical change? Hey everybody, another science experiment for you. Alright, take a look at this. We got two different common household items. We got a little baking soda. We'll put a little bit in here. It really ain't got to be a lot. Don't fill this bowl full. Alright, and then I have some balsamic vinegar. You can use like just regular white vinegar. Alright, so watch what happens. And I want you to tell me what is happening here. What is happening? Comment below. Gosh, this smells awful. Alright, here's another science one for you. What is happening here? We're mixing things together. Is this combination undergoing a physical change or a chemical change? And why? Leave your comments below.